जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Aranyakanda. Rama is the one who is born in such a wonderful dynasty, great dynasty, and he has unlimited amount of glow, unlimited amount of effulgence, unlimited amount of valor. O Ravana, you do not even deserve Udikshitum Ravana Nehayuktaha. You do not even be able to dare to see Rama in the battlefield, the entire personality, entire physical appearance of Rama. You cannot even dare to do that. You do not even deserve to do that. O Ravana, if there is a very strong and angered lion, as and how that lion peels out all the animals with its nails and eats away all the animals with its sharp teeth, so also Rama in the battlefield, he will be able to peel you out with his sharp arrows, and he will be able to kill you with his sharp swords. Vidagdharaksho mrugaha nrusimhaha. Rama is like a simham, Rama simham. Just like if the lion is sleeping, if someone goes and pokes it and also tries to awake that lion, so also if you go and do something and awakes Rama Simham, you will definitely face a dreadful fear, and you will definitely face a dreadful death. And also, oh Ravana, not only that, it is like if there is a huge amount of water, there are so many crocodiles, and that water also has so much of mud. In that water is having so many waves. In that huge amount of water flow, in that stream, if there is a big hole which takes you to the deep levels of the earth, that is like Patala Bilam. If someone gets into that Patala Bilam, how that is going to be very dreadful even to imagine. That is what is going to happen if you face Rama. Rama's Dhanusu, the arrow, the bow is like a crocodile. Rama's, the shoulder strength is like the mud in the water. And Rama's arrows are like waves of the water. Then in that Rama's such a huge amount of power is like a big stream of the water. In that Patala Bilam is like Rama. If you fell in that Rama's mouth, if you fell in that Rama's anger, you are dead. For Ravana, that is even very, very dreadful to imagine. Like that, Maricha explaining the amount of power of Rama by giving him so many comparisons. Maricha is saying to Ravana, "Oh Ravana, Rama is very powerful. That is why bring down all your anger upon Rama. Prasida, Lankeswara, Rakshasendra, get your peace of mind and go back to Lanka. Do not go against Rama. Oh Ravana, go back to Lanka and enjoy with your spouses, and let Rama also enjoy with his spouse Sita in that forest." Like that, when Maricha said, Ravana immediately Nyavartata Purim Lankam went back to Lanka. But here in Janasthanam, when Rama was killing all 14,000 demons and Khara, Dushana, Trishara, Surpanaka has seen Ekena Ramena Hatan, when Rama was by himself killed all 14,000 demons and such a great powerful soldiers like Khara, Dushana, Trishara, when Surpanaka has seen that, she got so much scared and she started crying and shouting, and with so much of fear from Rama, she ran back to Lanka. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.